October marked the end of a 5-month streak of declining property sales compared to previous years. Despite a recent uptick in mortgage rates, the Houston housing market is gaining momentum in October, signaling a healthy and active market as the final quarter of 2024 begins. Let's run through the numbers so I can show you exactly what I mean. From a high-level perspective, like September, October had 4.4 months of supply available in Houston, which, if you recall, is the highest inventory we've seen in 2 decades. This was trending almost 1 month higher than this time last year, but because the value did not increase from last month, the market is staying cozy in the range of the balanced market. In October, the average price for a home in Houston was $423,000, keeping in mind that this is the average across all areas. Although this is holding fairly flat from September, the good news is that this value increased by 5% from last year. This is halting the downward trend that we were seeing the previous months. The number of single-family homes in October went up by a whopping 10% from last year, but increased by 2% from September. Again, this shows that October is finally marking the end of the downward trend of this year. On to pending sales for October, there was an increase in this department by 23%, similar to September's year-to-year increase. However, unlike September's month-to-month value, it did not decrease, but it had a slight increase. All right, the increase was about 0.01%, as you can see in my chart below. Point is, it's not a decrease like the previous month, and we are in line to reverse all of the numbers to an upward trend in Q4. Following a steady 6-week rise, rates have now steadied. October finished off higher than September at 6.72%, but the rates are appearing to flatten out for November. With the right lender, you can get a better rate. I'd be happy to connect you with some amazing and experienced lenders. October brought an end to a 5-month stretch of falling home sales, month to month and year to year. We are seeing more activity in every indicator, and it will likely continue through Q4. It also appears that we will be staying in a balanced market, which will still have sales activity and buyers out there. A market where neither the seller nor the buyer has the upper hand can be quite favorable for everyone to meet their goals. As usual, I have gone through a lot of real estate data for Houston. This general market overview shows how well we are doing in this city, but submarkets can vary drastically. The higher-end homes between $500,000 and $999,000 increased by 26.5%, and the luxury market for homes above $1 million skyrocketed by 34%. Whether you're buying or selling, your situation is unique, and we need to discuss your specific submarket. I love talking through numbers and finding the right strategy for you and your family. Reach out to me for a free, no-obligation market evaluation or book a call to have a no-pressure conversation about your options. My contact information is in the description below. Feel free to check out my other videos, and I'll be back next month with an updated report.